Hi, I'm Kim Börjesson. I'm the product manager of Bluewater. I'm here to show you how easy and simple it is to use our CLEONE water purifier.
This instruction video will take you through the basics of installing your Bluewater CLEONE, but you'll find full instructions in the user manual. Installing the Bluewater CLEONE is straightforward. It's a job most capable handymen or women can do, although we advise you use a professional plumber. The compact CLEONE is designed to fit neatly under the sink in your kitchen. A water holding tank is delivered with the CLEONE and is normally also installed under the kitchen sink. It holds the purified water before it is used out of the unique drinking faucet installed beside the normal tap behind the sink. The CLEONE is equipped with 4 water connections, which are color-coded to simplify installation and service. Each colored hose should be connected to the connector, marked with the same coloring. The upper connector has an orange capsule, and the orange-colored hose should be connected to it. The orange hose should then be connected from the CLEONE to the main water inlet connector. The red hose should be connected to the wastewater outlet pipe. The yellow hose should be connected to the purified water tank. The purified water will come out of the drinking water tap via the blue hose that connects to the blue outlet on the CLEONE unit. Once all the hoses are connected, all you need do is plug in the unit using the electrical adapter that came with your CLEONE and then turn the unit on. It's that simple to install a Bluewater CLEONE water purifier at home. Now you can enjoy tap drinking water that is clean of practically all nasty stuff and tastes just great.
Thank you very much for listening. I hope you found the instructions useful and I hope you enjoy your Bluewater experience.